Where is he?
Hello, it's Angela. Hello, Tweety.
Mommy, where is he? I can't feel him.
He's on your head then.
Oh.
Would that let me hold or no?
You can try, yeah. He might bite you.
Oh, really? No, let me see.
He doesn't bite.
Would you let me?
He's cleaning himself, I think. I don't know what he's doing.
Is it when they hurt when they bite?
I don't know. I have never had him bite me before.
Come on, Tweety. Come here. Come on, Tweety. Come here. No, she won't come to me.
It's a boy.
Oh, it's a boy?
Mm-hmm.
He won't come to come here, Tweety.
Put your arm out. Maybe
Oh, like
he'll
that?
go in your arm. He likes hair.
Come here, Tweety.
He likes hair.
Come on.
Don't know why.
Come here. No. No, you won't come.